The lines used to create the auxiliary view should appear as in the finished view. A. Object lines. B. Construction lines. C. Reference lines. D. Construction lines. The correct answer is object lines. The offset distance for the width front to back distance of the auxiliary view is the same distance of the in the top view. A. Width. B. Height. C. Length. D. None of the above. The correct answer is width. The principal reason for using an auxiliary view is A. To eliminate hidden lines. B. To create a true projection plane from an inclined plane in one of the primary views. C. To show cylinders as ellipses. D. To locate center marks. The correct answer is to create a true projection plane from an inclined plane in one of the primary views. Circular shapes appear in this fashion when viewed at an angle other than 90 degrees. A. Circular. B. Elliptical. C. Lengthened. D. Angular. The correct answer is elliptical. When adding dimensions to an auxiliary view, it will be necessary to use the tool A. Linear dimension. B. Aligned dimension. C. Baseline dimension. D. Angle dimension. The correct answer is aligned dimension. An efficient method for trimming the corners on an auxiliary view is to use the A. Zero radius fillet. B. Hatch tool. C. Extend tool. D. Grips function. The correct answer is zero radius fillet. In this type of auxiliary view, a break line is used to indicate the imaginary break in the views. A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Revolved. D. Partial. The correct answer is partial. When using the descriptive geometry method to create an auxiliary view, the drafter should A. Rotate the snap grid to the same angle of the inclined plane. B. Offset the right vertical line of the front view. C. Rotate the top line of the front view 45 degrees. D. Offset the top line of the front view 2 inches. The correct answer is rotate the snap grid to the same angle of the inclined plane. This is the most common application for developments and intersections. A. Sheet metal construction. B. Piping. C. Architecture. D. Mechanical engineering. The correct answer is sheet metal construction. This type of auxiliary view is projected onto a plane that is perpendicular to one of the principal planes of projection. A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Revolved. D. Successive. The correct answer is primary. A partial auxiliary view usually shows only features on the of the inclined line and not any projection of other planes. A. Hidden lines. B. Plane. C. Center lines. D. None of the above. The correct answer is plane. A partial auxiliary view is used to show only the in the auxiliary view. A. Projected inclined plane. B. The projected top view. C. The projected side view. D. None of the above. The correct answer is projected inclined plane. This type of surface may be a plane, a single curved surface, or a warped surface. A. Edge surface. B. Ruled surface. C. Auxiliary surface. D. Developed surface. The correct answer is ruled surface. In this type of view, the cutting plane line indicates both the location of the cutting plane and the direction of sight. A. Removed section. B. Revolved section. C. Auxiliary section. D. Partial section. The correct answer is auxiliary section. The principal views associated with orthographic projection are A. Front view. B. Right side view. C. Top view. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A secondary auxiliary view is a projection of the A. Front view. B. Top view. C. Primary auxiliary view. D. None of the above. The correct answer is primary auxiliary view. This type of solid is formed by sweeping a shape along a linear path. A. Planar solid. B. Revolved solid. C. Warped solid. D. Extruded solid. The correct answer is extruded solid.